will discuss about what a marketing channel is and why intermediaries are needed. Basically, marketing channel refers to the entire ecosystem which is required for getting products, that is maybe tangible goods and intangible services, from the point of production to the point of consumption. That includes people, organization and all other channel activities. Marketing channel, on the other hand, it can be a set of interdependent organizations which aids the transfer of ownership as product move from producer to business, user or consumer. And now we will discuss about why intermediaries are needed. Basically, which can be considered as the marketing functions of marketing channel functions. It is divided in three parts. One is considered as the specialization and division of labor. Other is considered as the overcoming the discrepancies, and last one, which is least important, that is providing contact efficiency. So whenever you are considering the specialization and division of labors, it has several aspects related with it, which considered as it creates a greater efficiency in the mind of the people of the organization or the people who are relating with the channels. It provides lower production cost. So whenever channel would be maximum, the price of the product should be less. The high price product has the high value of efficiency, and the channel system in that case of high price product is less. It provides, whenever you are considering the lower production cost, that time the labor specialization or the trained or efficient labor is certainly would be less, and it achieves economic of scales. That means that the production process should be environment friendly, should be price efficiency, should have other kind of specialty which are required for the production process in the labor system. It aids producers who lack resources to make market directly. In that case, the efficiency of labor is considered as one of the major aspects in aids a producer who lack resources to the market directly. That means producers who cannot go to the market directly and work the efficiency according to the create efficiency according to the according to the labor. It builds good relationship with the customers, and whenever you are considering the channel system, the relationship with the customers is very essential. That intermediaries create a good interpersonal relationship with different markets. And number two, whenever you are considering that overcoming the discrepancies, it has four parts. Discrepancies relating to the quantity, when the differences between the amount of product produced and the amount an end user want to buy. So if the price be high, in that case, the officially and practically the consumer would be less interested to purchase the product, because the people are always interested to get higher quantity of product with less expenditure. And whenever you are considering discrepancy of assortment, it may be related to the lack of all the items that customers need to receive full satisfaction from the product or products. That whenever the customer are spending money, they always like to get the maximum outcome or maximum output from the minimum investment they have done. And then you come to the point of temporary discrepancies. Temporal discrepancies indicate that it's a situation which occurs when a product is produced but the customer is not ready to buy it. So basically, in many cases it can happen that the product has been produced by the organization in a large volume, but the customer is least interested to purchase the product. That is, at that time, the efficiency or efficacy of channel management is highly required, which the system, if the organization wants to run the system properly, then definitely they need to have a proper network and understanding system that would help the customer to be attractive towards the product. And last point is considered as the spatial discrepancies, which relate to the differences between the location of producer and the location of widely scattered market. It is highly interrelated because the product mostly are produced in those areas where the production cost is less, and the product which is consumed high in the area where the people are living in high volume, density of people is high, and the purchasing power of the people is very high. So the differences between those two, producer and the consumer, if it be less, and then automatically the production cost and the price of the product will decrease. If the difference between the location of producer and the locality of youth market, scattered market, be very large, then automatically what would happen that the price of the product would automatically increase for the for transport cost. So these are the areas that are required to be considered in the intermediaries which are needed for the marketing channel. And the last one is providing contact efficiency, that the organization which has huge volume of contact relating to the product, and they have enough market efficiency and that they have enough market control, then automatically the channel intermediary function would be profitable. For example, we can say that if any product be launched by any well-reputed multinational organization like ITC or Hindustan Unilever, then automatically their product would be the new product would be very in demand to the customers, because they have already acquainted about the organization. They know the people know about the organizational efficiency. So automatically that contact efficiency would help the channel function to minimize the discrepancies or minimize the hazard which are faced by any unknown organization which are coming new to the market. So these is the areas whenever we are considering the marketing channel and the need of intermediaries in the market.